Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to show a formula integration with Google Maps to get an exact location. In our years of working with different customers, we came across multiple companies that utilize Smartsheet for project management. Many of these where land work is the main focus of the projects. For an efficient management of resources, like technicians, foremen, and OPMs, etc., it's very important to have the information as precise as it can be. That's why we came up with our location formula. License the substitute function and the structure of the web pages, such as Google Maps, we are able to provide the exact location of the job using the information provided on the job as a street, address, number, state, and also this can work with coordinates. In this way, the team can have at hand the whole scope of the project while being able to update their progress on the same row. For this example, we create like workaround based on jobs, and to enter new data we are using a form. Here we can see the form. As you can see, it's as easy as just select the project name. We are going to choose like any region for this moment, any category for this, customer, to date, job description, testing, and add address. It's important to follow this format just to show that this formula is working correctly. I prepared a Google Maps location already. We are just going to copy the address and we are going to paste. Now we have the correct format for the address. We are going to assign someone, post our name, and just click on submit. Now our new job should appear in any moment now. As you can see, we have the column address here. Here is what we enter on the form, and this formula is making the conversion of all this data from this cell to make it readable for the links. So just to show that it's working correctly, let's click on the link and it should open Peterson Park location, and here it is. As you can see, it's giving us the location, the exact location that we gave before, basically the same that I prepared from here. So the substitute formula works by reading information from a cell, as you can see, identifying a value provided on the same formula, and making an exchange of value with another parameter provided on the same formula, which is why by adding multiple layers of substitute to the formula, we can mimic the interaction of search using a column as a reference. Each layer separates the information of the location, making it into a functional link, in this case to Google Maps. This formula can be very useful if you are making like locations for jobs or for any other kind of works. This formula can also be used in another ways that we are going to show in another video to keep links in a shared folder if you are generating PDFs like with any other integrations or APIs. Well, that's it for this video for today. Thank you everyone for watching.